morning. My name is Rick White from 180 Biz, and this is my Just One Thing. What I want to talk to you today about are your musts. There are some musts that you must take care of in order to create and keep your focus. The first is sleep. You know, a lot of times people think about sleep as the enemy or a luxury, and it's not. You know that if you're up 19 hours, right? And that's like a badge of courage for most people. If you're up 19 hours, that's the same as cognitively being drunk, okay? You don't want that. You want to be more careful than that. You want to take care of yourself because otherwise it never gets better. You don't get better. You feel like things are happening to you and they're not. It's simply a focus, okay? It is a mindset. You need your sleep. That's the first thing. You got to get 7-8 hours a night. And I know that's something I struggle with too. I'm working on that because I want to have a better focus. So that is the first step you've got to work on, okay, is the sleep. Because when you get more sleep, you're going to be more alert and everything like that. Why? Because what happens is when you go to sleep, your brain rests, it recharges, and what it does is it cleans out your short-term memory, and then it decides based on your focus and your, there's a bunch of other stuff that goes on, but it puts your certain things into long-term memory, and some of it just makes go away. That's why you don't remember everything. But that's a cool thing, and you need that, okay? So that's number one for musts. The second must is play. You need time to play. You can't be all work, right? All work makes Jack a dull boy. You can't do that, or Jill a dull girl, right? You can't do that. You've got to be able to get some time away. You've got to have other interests. You've got to be able to get into a situation that takes your mind off of stuff. And you know what the really cool thing is that I found? Is that when you have that playtime, a lot of times the stuff that has been eating away at you and eating away and eating away at you, all of a sudden you have a solution that just pops into your mind, and it's because you've given your brain a break. Okay? So you need to find some stuff you can play. Okay? Maybe it's a guitar, maybe it's starting to learn a new language. Maybe it's going out with the family, taking the kids and going somewhere with them and spending time with them. Because guess what? I'll bet you they'd love it. How much time are you at the shop when you should be with your family? Okay? What are you doing for sleep? What are you doing for play? How are you taking care of yourself? Remember, there's an abundance. Everything in the cup, that's yours. Everything that comes out of the cup, that's for other people. So remember that, okay? Take care. God bless. Stay safe. And go make some money. We'll see you next week live. I'll talk to you. Bye-bye.